This right here is the YOSUDA exercise bike. This is a 2-in-1 folding exercise bike. Super easy to use. It's very solid. Hop on and you have your feet pedals right here. Go ahead and cinch up. You have your handle back here and you can start pedaling away. It has 8 levels of magnetic resistance. You got your handles here, or you can put your hand over here, or here, or here, many different positions. You also have your pulse sensor to measure your heart rate. You have a display showing your distance, your calorie, your odometer, your pulse. You even have a place to put your phone here, speed and time and everything. Very easy to use, and this is a 2-in-1 because it also has this. You can use this to work out your forearm or your biceps all at the same time in a very compact form factor. My favorite part is how easy it is to collapse. You see, in this is the expanded form. To collapse it, very easy. There's a pin right here. Pull this pin out and this thing will collapse like that. Slide back the pin to hold it in position, and the seat also folds down as you saw, and now you can wheel this away because you got wheels on this thing and you just wheel it away. This is your YOSUDA 2-in-1 exercise bike. Whenever you're ready to use it again, you pop it open like so, this up, pull this pin, voila, expands, and put the pin back in so that way you don't have to worry about losing a pin. It also secures the bike and you're good to go. This is the YOSUDA 2-in-1 exercise bike right here.